Hey everyone, Anna here. Thank you for joining me. If you feel stuck on your weight loss journey, no matter how many diets or workouts you've tried, you're not alone. I've been there, and I know how frustrating it can be. That's why today I want to share something that might help, Mitolyn. In this quick review, I'll explain what Mitolyn is, how it works, its key ingredients, possible side effects, where to buy it, and some tips to help you decide if it's right for you. So make sure to stay until the end. What is Mitolyn? Mitolyn is a natural dietary supplement created to support healthy mitochondria and improve metabolism, helping with weight loss. What makes it unique is that it's made only with natural ingredients, with no harmful chemicals or toxins, and has no known side effects. What's inside? Mitolyn contains Maqui Berry, rich in antioxidants that help fight inflammation and protect your cells. Rhodiola rosea, which improves focus and reduces stress, both crucial when trying to lose weight. Chandraprabha vati, supporting mitochondrial function and naturally boosting metabolism. These ingredients work together to help control cravings, increase daily energy, improve digestion, and promote fat burning. How to use it? Take 1 capsule per day, preferably after a meal. A 3-month course is recommended, but results tend to be even better after 6 months. Some users see changes in a few weeks, while others take longer. Be patient and consistent. Where to buy Mitolyn? Only on the official website. Buying there ensures you get the original product and not a counterfeit. I've added the link in the description for you.